Hello students, Standard 6, Science, Lesson number 2, Component of Food. At first, the meaning of component. What is the component? Component means which food we eat in our daily routine diet, and there are all nutrients are included in this, and all nutrients are maybe carbohydrate, maybe protein, vitamins and minerals. Okay, which food have all these carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals, nutrients. Oh, this type of food is called the components. Okay, now there is a chapter 1. I explain you about that what is the food, what are the sources of food and what are the ingredients. And look at here, this is the dish. Whatever we eat in lunch or dinner, this is the dish, and there is the chapati, vegetable and brinjal curry and dal. Okay, then rice, sambar and vegetable preparation of lady's finger, and this is the meal, and could be the appam also, and fish curry and vegetables. Like this is the name of the meal. Okay, there is the activity also given. Find out the some common meals in different region and state, because in different region we eat the different dishes. And like this in Rajasthan, people eat the dal bati, and in Punjab they eat the most of the makai roti, and their item of the dal is rajma, and vegetable is sarso, and other is curd. Complete dish of food is like this. We don't have the only one type of food. We have the varieties of food. When we take the lunch or dinner na, so there are include the chapati also, dal also, one vegetable also, curd also, and maybe one sweet also. So all these are varieties of item we take in our one time meal. Why? Because we are need of the all components of the food. We get carbohydrate from the chapatis, we get protein from the dals, we get minerals and vitamins from the vegetables and fruits. Okay, that's why we take the varieties of food in our daily routine time, not only one type. And different states, they take the different dishes. In Punjab they like this makki roti, and Andhra Pradesh rice roti, in Rajasthan cereals, wheat roti, and there is the item of the dal is a rajma in Punjab, and tuer dal in Andhra Pradesh, and urad dal in Rajasthan, and vegetable sarson ka saag and kunkuda in the in which state? Andhra Pradesh. And in Rajasthan like this lady finger, and other we eat with food also curd, and on the chapati we apply the ghee and buttermilk, and pickle, some pickle and some salad also we take in our one time meal food. Okay, so there are we take the so many varieties of food, and all these why we take, because all components are included in this. So many varieties have different components na. I said you about the carbohydrate, protein and like this. Okay, and the ingredients contain some component there are needed to our body, these component of the nutrient. Okay, we take the varieties of food in our one time meal, and they contain the so many ingredients, and all ingredients have the nutrient food, and these components are called the nutrients. Okay, nutrients in our body name carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. I explained you already. And it's contain, and nutrient food contain the nutrition in our body, and we get the nutrition food, then we get the proper growth. And plant also need of the nutrition, and animal also need of the nutrition. Without nutrition they don't get the proper growth, because nutrition provide their the cell repairing, they prepare their growth of cells, and they maintain the growth of cells. That's why all components of the foods are compulsory and essential in our daily routine type, in the for the plants also, for the animals also. Okay, now there are the some tests of the starch, proteins and vitamins. There is the activity number 2. One activity is done about the food na, that this is table is completed. Now the activity number 2, that how you find out there is this type of food as starch. Starch means carbohydrate. When we eat potato and when we eat the chapati, Then how we find out the which component it's mixed in its, then there is a experiment. And how we find out the starch, like this at some solution when you add this is a iodine. Now, these are potato. You take some potato and cut it with knife and take it some crush, and then you take a dropper and take the one drop of iodine and add in the potato. Then after some time what you observe, you observe that the potatoes color change in the dark violet color. Why? Because this is show the presence of the starch, and starch means carbohydrate. It means the potato has the carbohydrate inside it. The taste of the protein, and protein we get from the pulses. So you take the sample piece of the any protein substance like this, it take the cooked pulses like this urad dal cooked pulses, and like this moong. Okay, it take the cooked moong inside the test tube, and it take the caustic soda and copper sulfate to solution. Then he add the some copper soda and some copper sulfide inside the test tube. After some time he observed that its color is changed, and its color turned into the violet color. Why? Because it show the protein is present in this material which is taken by him. Which material taken the boy na? Then like this he has taken the pulses, because pulses has so many proteins inside it, and when its color is changed by the solution, it means it has the protein. Okay, like this we find out the which type of food which components have, and there is a list of the components and food items, nutrients present in some food item. There are example, the raw potato starch has. This experiment done, the milk has protein because its color is changed also. When we do experiment with caustic soda and copper sulfate, its color change, it means it has the protein. And groundnut has the oil, and oil is fat. Cooked powder rice has starch, and cooked rice has also starch. Okay, when uncooked na, then it's maybe that some starch. Okay, but it is cooked, then it has more amount of starch. And dry coconut has some fat, and uncooked tuar dal has nothing. Okay, when cooked dal, then it has the protein. A slice of any vegetable has nothing. A slice of any fruit has nothing, only vitamin and protein. Fruits and vegetables has vitamins and minerals, and boiled egg has so many proteins inside it. Like this you can find out the which type of food item has the which type of component. Now the taste of the fat. How you find out that this food has fat or not? Then there is also a experiment. You take the small quantity of any food item like this, when you eat chapati, then you take a paper and crush it on the chapati, and then you find out that it has some oily patches on it. Why the paper has the oily patches? Because the chapati there was the apply the ghee and or butter, so it is the inside the fat, because there is a fat inside it. That's why when the paper is touched with the chapati, then it soaked the oil and like this substance fatty acids. That's why it shows the patches, and it is proved that on the chapatis it has the fat, because all oil, butter and ghee, all those is fat. And you take one, and you take another experiment to find out the fat. Like this you take any test tube and you apply some, and you take some water in it, and then you take 1-2 drop oil, and then you find out that there is a one ring is occurs inside this, because oil is not mix of water. So this is also the experiment that oil shows the fat. Okay, oily items are the components of the fat. Now what do various nutrients for our body? See, look at here. These diagrams are given in your textbook, and there are some sources of carbohydrate. From which food we get the carbohydrate? The carbohydrate we get from most of the old cereals, The chapati is made of cereals. Every day we eat chapati. Why? Because we need of the carbohydrate, and carbohydrate is the energy giving food, and protein is the growth maintenance food. It's provide our growth, and minerals and vitamins give to our healthy and healthy growth, and they protect us from the diseases. So every food component is compulsory in our daily routine diet. Okay, we take the chapati, and chapati is made from the wheat, rice, bajra's flour, and it's provide us carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is energy giving food. And this here there is potato, sweet potato, sugar cane, papaya, melon, mango, maize. All these food items, we get the carbohydrate from all these food items. Now there is the groundnut, nuts. All these food items are the sources of the fat. We get the fat, and fat is also energy giving food. And meat, milk, cream, butter, all these also provide us fat, and fat is a energy giving food. Fat and carbohydrates are energy giving food. Understand, beta? Now the next. See, there is the diagram. In everyday our food, we eat pulses, and pulses may be gram, moong, tur, beans, peas, soya bean. All these are the sources of the protein, and we get protein from this food. And fish, meat, milk also provide us the protein, and protein is compulsory for our bodybuilding food. It is called the bodybuilding food. It's decide our body's growth. Okay, protein is called the bodybuilding food, and it help to protecting our body against, and vitamin is protecting our body against the diseases, and vitamins also keeping our eyes and bones, teeth, gums healthy. So vitamins are also essential for our body, and vitamins are so many types like this: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E and K. There is an index of the vitamins like this. We get the vitamin A from the mango, and vitamin papaya, mango and carrot. We get vitamin A. Vitamin A is good source for our eyesight. And wheat, liver, rice also are the sources of vitamin B. And which are sour fruits now? These are like this: lemon, amla, guava, orange, tomato. All these are the sources of vitamin C. And vitamin D, we get the vitamin D from the milk, butters and sunlight also. And all these vitamins are essential for our body because it protects us from so many diseases. And see there why he is taking the sunlight, because sunlight is compulsory for getting the vitamin D, and vitamin D make our bones strong. And see there are some sources of the minerals. We eat some leafy vegetables. These are the sources of minerals like this: zinc, potassium, also this iron. All these are minerals are compulsory for our healthy growth. See there are the leafy vegetables, banana, milk, the cereals, milk, eggs. All are the sources of the minerals. Okay, we get the iron, zinc, potassium, all these minerals from this food. And water also compulsory for our diet, because of water absorb our nutrient from our body. It helps the throwing out some wastes from our body in a form of the urine and sweat, because we take the water then water absorb all nutrients, and it's take out the some take in the some nutrients inside the body, and take off and give off the some urine and water which is extra and like this toxic item now from our sweats and urine from the body. There is activity, and this activity is about the how you find out the tomato and lemon has the vitamin C, because these are the sour. And there is an example that when you cut some pieces of the tomatoes and lemon, and your hand get the weight. Why? Because there is so much amount of the water, and all fruits and vegetables are made from the water. So we get the water amount from vegetables and fruits also. So there is no efficiency in water in our body when we eat like this food. Now balanced diet. Balanced diet means all component of foods are included in our daily routine diet. This is called the balanced diet. All component of foods means carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals. When all these are included in our one time meal, this is called the balanced diet. And when we take the balanced diet in our daily routine life, then there is no possibility of any disease and we become the healthy from this. Now pulses, groundnuts, soya bean, sprout seeds. Sprout seeds means salad like this, moong, and fermented food. Fermented food means idli, dosa, which is which eat in South Indians, and like this all these fruits are compulsory for our body. And banana, spinach, setu, jaggery means good. And all vegetables and varieties of vegetables, we get so many nutrients from this. So we can eat in our balanced diet without expensive food materials. When we eat like this kachori, samosa and some snacks like this kurkure, these are not healthier and we don't get the sufficient nutrients components from this. Only we get the nutrients and balanced diet from the chapati, pulses, fruits, milk, curd, all these food items. So you don't eat any types of snack in daily routine type. Otherwise, you get the deficiency of the so many types of minerals and vitamins, and you get the when you get the scarcity of all these vitamins and minerals, then there may be the occurrence of the any disease. Okay, there is the list of the deficiency disease. What are the deficiency disease? When a person don't take the enough balanced diet food, and in his daily routine food there is some components are less, like the all components he is not eating in his daily life, like this some scarcity of the vitamins, some scarcity of the minerals, some scarcity of the protein or carbohydrate, then he may get some diseases from this scarcity. This is called the deficiency diseases. Okay, this is called the deficiency diseases. And deficiency of different vitamins and minerals also result in certain disorders, and some of these are mentioned in your table 2.3. See, this is the table. There are the some vitamins, and there are the when we don't take the vitamin and protein food, then which type of disorders and disease they get from this deficiency, and what are their symptoms. At first, vitamin A. When a person don't take the vitamin A fruit, then his possibility of loss of vision, and is the symptoms is poor vision, he can't see proper and can't read the book, also loss of vision in darkness, and sometimes complete loss of vision. Okay, so vitamin A is so much compulsory component, and we get vitamin A from the most of fruit like this carrot and mangoes. And vitamin B1, when a person get the deficiency of vitamin B1, then it get the disease beriberi, and these symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Okay, he becomes so weak he can't do so more work. And vitamin C, and when any person don't eat the like this lemon and amla and all this sour food, orange, then it get the scurvy disease, and the orders of bleeding gums, wound take longer time to heal. When we get injured and it don't get the longer time, it means the deficiency of vitamin C. And vitamin D, when vitamin D scarcity, then its disease is rickets, and by the rickets the bones become so soft and bend, and there is maybe possibility of fracture also. And calcium makes our body and tooth strong, and when there is scarcity of calcium, then bone and tooth decayed, and the person feel the weakness, so much weakness, weak bone and tooth decayed. And iodine, from the deficiency of iodine, person get the goiter disease, and in goiter disease his neck gland is swollen, and this is disability in children also, mental disability. Children don't get the proper mental growth from the deficiency of the iodine. And iron, the scarcity of iron, the person get the anemia disease, and he gets so much weakness because there is no less possibility of the blood occurring. Okay, now the keywords means define. Write the define in 1 and 2 line in your notebook. Balanced diet, when all component of foods, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals include, this is called the balanced diet. Beriberi is a disease which is occurs by the vitamin B1. And carbohydrate is the energy giving food. Energy, when we take nutrient food, then we get the energy. Fat is also energy giving food. Minerals also a disease protected food. Nutrients, when we get all components of food in our balanced diet like this, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins and minerals, these are called the nutrients. Proteins are body building food. It's make our body cells and maintain our body cells. Roughage is the gaseous food which do the work and throw out the wastage from our body. Scurvy is a disease and which is occurs by the deficiency of vitamin C. Starch is a form of carbohydrate. Vitamins are a component of food which provide us and protect us from the diseases. Okay, done. Now this lesson is done in your video. You watch it carefully and do its work also. Okay. Yes, I am completing this in your video also. Then name the major nutrient in our body. Major nutrient is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals. Okay. Now name the following, the nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. These nutrients are carbohydrate and fats. Okay. And the nutrient that are needed for the growth and maintenance our body. This is the proteins, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. Vitamin A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Calcium and vitamin D. Name 2 food rich in fat. Fat like this oil. In fat, oil and ghee. And starch, rice and potato. Dietary fiber, cereals, any cereals like this, wheat and any juicy fruit like this, tomato. Protein, we get protein from the dal, so many pulses like this, moong, gram and udad. And tick the right and wrong. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutrition requirement in our body? Wrong. Only rice is not enough for requirement. Okay, this is wrong. And deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet? Yes, right. And C, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food item? Yes, right. Meal alone is sufficient to provide all nutrient to the body? Meal alone is sufficient to provide all. This is wrong. Fill in the blanks. Is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. Deficiency of dash?